Every day in our kingdom begins with a little magic.
Look, my dear, this little bird can sing and dance. Does it make you happy?
The king decided to take a drastic measure.
Herald, announce to the kingdom, whoever makes the princess laugh shall have her hand in marriage and half my kingdom.
Hear ye! Hear ye! A royal prize for the one who brings joy to the princess! The news...
Why did the chicken cross the castle moat?
To see your lovely smile, your highness!
But Isabella didn't even giggle.
Alakazam, see the magic of the colorful silks.
Work is hard, but a full day's labor is its own reward.
You've worked well, Jack. Here is your payment for the year. If I toss this into the well and it stays, I'll know I'm meant to be wealthy. He threw the coin into the well, but it sank straight to the bottom.
Jack didn't give up. He worked another year for the same master.
One more year. I'll work even harder this time.
You are a marvel, Jack. Here are 2 coins for your amazing spirit. Jack returned to the well. He threw both coins in, and they both floated.
My luck has changed. Now, let's see where the road takes me. Goodness. I knew if I just kept trying, something good would happen. This changes everything.
What's that? A little friend in trouble? There you go, little one. You're free now. Poor thing. That's no place for a beetle like you.
Finally, a stray cat needed a helping hand.
Don't worry, kitty. You'll be back to your pouncing in no time.
Wow! Linda! It's even bigger than they say. I hope they have some work for me here.
Isabella had never seen anything so ridiculous.
Well, that wasn't exactly the entrance I planned.
And then, it happened! Oh, look at him! Oh, look at him!
Is that... laughter? Is my daughter finally smiling?
It's a miracle!
You're laughing, Isabella.
Oh no! Am I in trouble for the mess?
Young man, you have done what no one else could. You made my daughter laugh.
Thank you for the wonderful show. You are very funny, Jack.
It looks like we found a new home, my friends.
And it wasn't just Jack who found a new life. His animal friends were welcome too.
A toast to Jack, the honest worker who brought laughter back to our halls.
And then the mouse tried to brush his hair. It was the funniest thing. He completely lost his balance and tumbled right into the cake.
Oh, he didn't. That scamp. He did.
Cream everywhere.
The stars look different when you're happy, don't they? Jack and Isabella became the best of friends.
One, two, and hop!
You're getting it, little buddy.
Wait for us, Ginger! You're too fast!
For the greatest treasure of all wasn't gold or half a kingdom, but the love and joy of a happy family.